This will be a speed test between the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus versus the Xiaomi Redmi K20 Pro. Now they both have the Snapdragon 855. They're both on Android 9. Note 10 has the One UI interface. K20 Pro on MyUI. K20 Pro has 8 gigs of RAM, while the Galaxy Note 10 Plus has a whopping 12 gigs. Turn on both at the same time. See which one has the faster boot up. Let's go. Now I'm gonna give the emphatic victory to the Xiaomi Redmi K20 Pro on the boot up. This phone turns on hella fast, fast AF. And we are in! Nothing in the background on both. As you can see, all apps and caches have been cleared. So let's get started by tapping the phone app. Draw, messages, draw again, the camera. We'll do it like this so you can see the viewfinder, and let's go. Another draw. Clock on both phones, very close. We'll go ahead and start the stopwatch, leave it running. Samsung Internet and Chrome. We'll do a search for GSM Arena. Go. You guys are the judges, maybe a little bit faster on the K20. We'll do a search for Note 10. Go. And again, a little bit faster on the right. We'll scroll through this. Nice and fast on both phones. Calculator. Another tie. Play Store. Woo! So fast. We'll click on this. And we're gonna install this one. Where is it? This one? Install. Nope. We'll just leave it there. Amazon Shopping. Click on the deal of the day. Nice and butter. eBay. Man, both of these phones are flying through these apps. Not a big difference one way or the other, really. Mario Run, loading on both. A little bit faster on the right. Tap to begin. Temple Run 2. Blooming Sands, both are loading. Ooh, very close. I think the Note is ahead, but we'll confirm that in a second. Yeah, let's just confirm it. Note 10 out in front by a tad. Angry Birds 2. Starting up and logging in on the Note 10. Will the K20 Pro catch it? I kind of doubt it. And we'll give the win to the Galaxy Note 10 Plus on this one. Asphalt 9. Ooh, Note 10 out in front, I think. Yup, give the win to the Note 10 on this. Tap to play. PUBG Mobile. Ooh, looks like the K20 Pro is out in front. Loading on the K20 first. Will the Note catch it? Oh, so close. Slow down the video for me. We'll click on this. And a lot of extra pop-ups here. Let's get to the game. Adobe Photoshop Express. Both phones have this 8K image. I'm gonna click on the vibrant filter. And I'm gonna jack this up all the way. And then click on the export on both. Identical performance on that one, maybe Note 10 a little bit faster, but I'm gonna save to the gallery, see which phone does this faster, and let's go. Ooh, and give it to the K20 Pro. Twitter, Note 10 IG, Note 10 again, WhatsApp, Note 10, woo, Note 10's hella fast right now. Snapchat, Note 10 again by a tiny bit. Let's take a look at the multitasking of both phones. All apps in the background. As you can see, on a side note, I like how the K20 does the app switching here. Pretty unique, pretty cool. 12 gigs of RAM on a Note 10 Plus. K20 Pro has 8 gigs. Will that play a role or a factor? Let's find out. We'll run through these apps again, see if there's any reloads or any stutters or anything like that. PUBG good to go. Okay, both phones looking good so far. The Asphalt 9, ready to play. Angry Birds 2, good to go on both. Temple Run 2, ready to resume. This one, Mario Time on both, ready to play. The eBay, ready to buy. Amazon, and okay, a delay on the right. What's going on with the K20 Pro? Will it come back? Amazon, what is happening? Hello? I don't know if it's the phone or it could be the app. We'll just leave it there. Play Store, good to go. Calculator, a little bit of a stutter on the right. Nothing too bad though. Web page is good to go. Stopwatch still running. Camera, there you have it. Messages, a little bit faster on the Note. And the phone app, Note 10, boom. So let me know in the comments below what you thought about this matchup. Are you a Samsung Knight on hashtag Team Galaxy? Are you rocking this brand spanking new Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus or the regular Note 10? If you have a S10 or S10 Plus or the Note 9 from last year, or even a S9 or a S8 or a Note 8, are you gonna take the plunge and upgrade to this phone? I kinda wish this phone had a 90Hz display and a headphone jack. That would have been the ultimate. Or are you rocking the Xiaomi Redmi K20 Pro? For the price, you get some pretty good specs with this phone. Snapdragon 855, 8 gigs of RAM. Very good price to performance ratio, similar to the Pocophone F1 from last year. Anyway, let me know what you thought about this matchup in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.